Bold Experience is about demonstrating how the mountain adventure is different than anything else you'll ever experience in your lifetime. The elevation is insane. The Rockies are epic. The water is perfect. The animals are beautiful. And the view is life-changing. There is so much more than what I can show you on the camera. The adventure is great, the excitement is real, the action is serious, and the memories are forever. Home to 14.5 million acres of national forest and mountainous terrain, the Colorado Mountains are home to more Rocky Mountain elk than anywhere else in the world. The rugged terrain, the distant elevations, the undiscovered terrains blocked by crystal clear rivers and 14,000-foot walls allow for these majestic mammals to thrive beyond any extent. April 5th, 2019, onto I-70, over Eisenhower, down into Silverthorne, Highway 9 north into Kremling, then Rabbit Ears, Highway 40, down into Steamboat. Home to genuinely some of the most beautiful mountain ranges in the state, home to the perfect elk habitat.
Do one more! One more, bro! Woo!
Can I get that towel though? They want their split because I'm doing it based off what you guys want.
Nah, leave mine for a little bit. Nah, nah. Yeah, leave mine. Tyler, bro. Nah. Where are you sleeping tonight?
Yeah,
bro.
You started some fucking water?
Kind of. Not a good swimmer. Whoa, 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 whoa. Fix it, whoa.
Yeah.
What's 4 plus 5?
9.
45. You ever seen grown-ups?
Oh, damn. Holy cow. That was crazy, bro.
Just travels down.
We're in for it. Right, if you're positive, this shit can hold up rain. Hey, Cole, where are the plates at, bro?
They're in the fucking... They're in the thing.
Fishing the Elk River, crystal clear water flowing, designing heart-stopping valleys, heart-stopping tributaries, providing thousands of animals with healthy drinking water, which is key to surviving treacherous winters. Hiking Bear Canyon, deep into the heart of Route National Forest. Devastated by wildfire and pine beetle, this landscape has been around for millions of years and is truly the Rocky Mountain frontier.